Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. So this right here is the KIWI head strap. Now, this is actually going to be for my Quest 2. Now, keep in mind that this head strap is just the basic version. It doesn't have like, let's say, what is it? I think it's like the headset that comes with it. And I think I also saw one that actually has a battery built into it. So this is just a regular strap, so nothing fancy. So let's go right ahead and actually open this puppy up and see what we get. Here's the front of the box, of course. So nothing really exciting there. Here's a shot of the back of the box. And of course, here you see, of course, the model number that I technically ordered. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So everything's together in this little plastic container. So first thing we have, it looks like it's technically the head strap itself. So it is foam. So top is foam as well as the back. So there we go. Alright, cool. So we'll install this in a little bit. And here we have the strap itself. So all plastic. I know that this one was saying that it was, I guess, what was it? Well, I don't know. Was this plastic? How was this? If I remember correctly, I don't know if they were saying that this was flexible, but it really isn't. The flexible part is this right here. So can't really adjust this too much. Fairly certain this will go up and down. So cool. Same thing over here. Same construction. Of course, it looks like here are some attachments that you could just go ahead and slide in the foam part in the back. So here we have a dowel, so you could go right ahead and actually adjust the headset. Alright, let's see what else do we get here. See, replacement head strap, of course, for Quest 2. So really just instructions on how to install it right here. I'm fairly certain it's not that hard to replace that. And we do have some sort of like a cloth right here that they provided for us. Not really sure if it's technically for clean. Probably for cleaning. I mean, I have probably better cleaning cloths out there. But nonetheless, that is what we get. So let me go right ahead and install it on my Quest. So here we have the Quest. Of course, this is the strap that just came with it. I'll go ahead and do a review possibly later on technically if this is actually worth the money. It actually, how much did this actually come out to? I believe it was like $40, and I think I got it on sale possibly. So, alright, so anyways, let me go right ahead and take this out. So all we got to do is just start pushing outwards. This technically just, you know, pops out. Same thing over here. Just gonna go right ahead and put a little bit of pressure. There we go. And for the strap, there it is. And let's see, how am I gonna do this? So it looks like it just slides right out, but how easy is this gonna be to slide back in? That is the question. So let me take this little plastic out. Slide out. Well, I guess I should have just read the instructions before I started doing this. So, alright, that's fine. Let's just, alright, there it is. Oh, so it looks like you can actually take this part off. There it is. See, if you read the instructions, it makes things easier. There it is. Oops, sorry. So there it is. So that makes it a lot easier to take that strap out. And actually to get the other one in there, because yeah, if I wouldn't have taken that off, it wouldn't have been fun. So let me put this first. So it just slides right in. There we go. So 2 clicks. There it is. And let's do, of course, a little strap here. There it is. And I can adjust. I'll adjust it right now to my head. Let's just go ahead and just finish this off. Slides, of course, right in. There it is. All right. Took a while. Okay, same thing for the other one. Just go ahead and slide it in there. And there she is. There we go. So that is squared away. Let me just go right ahead and slide, of course, this little part that I took out. Alrighty, there we go. So that is technically squared away. So let me go ahead and technically put this on and let's see how it feels compared to this little strap right here. So, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's a little bit. There we go. Actually, this isn't that bad. I just need to adjust this a little bit. Okay. All right. So overall, just first impressions. It's a lot comfortable. So with this one right here, I would adjust it from the back, and then all of a sudden, if I remember correctly, I would feel a lot of pressure going kind of like, in the side of my head, all the way around to the back. But with this one, it's a little bit more comfortable. It's like there's not so much pressure here because, of course, the plastic doesn't really touch my head. The only thing that's technically, having contact with my head is technically the back padding here. Sorry, right here. And then, of course, the top of it. So, like I said, I mean, I'll go right ahead and mess around with it, test it out and see if it was worth the $40 that I spent. So, cool deal. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that is the end of this technically quick unboxing. Stay tuned for the review that I'll be doing most likely. Of course, I'll go right ahead and put some miles on this technically head strap, and then I'll keep you posted on that. But like always, I really do appreciate every single one of you, and we will catch you on the next one.